Okay, in this video we're going to look at how to get a very simple photo editor so that you can do some of the basic work you might want to do with video. Okay, a little history on this first is YouTube used to have a basic editor, which was nice because you could simply upload your stuff there, work right up on YouTube, not on your own computer, so there was no need to install an app or upload things later. But what happens is they discontinued that. Now they've recently reintroduced a version of it, and I thought this might happen because it was just so convenient. So they've reintroduced a new version, but it really must be in beta because it's hard to find. It's kind of tricky, and in another video I'll show you where you could find that. And the functionality is very limited, where it will allow us to trim video, to throw pieces of a video away. What it won't do yet, and I'm assuming that you'll be able to do this in the future, I don't know for sure, is that as they add features, there will be a join feature where you can bring two videos together and make them into one. Okay, your other alternatives, I'm going to show you today how to get a Windows Photos, which has a video editor built in. Again, sometimes a little hard to find if you don't know it's there. There are other options, some free, some open source options, or some where you're asked to contribute but that it's voluntary. But today we're going to focus on getting Windows Photos. So what you can do is you can just go to the Microsoft Store. That's one way to do it. And once you get to the store, we're going to want to use the search feature and just simply search for Photos. This is an app now. Things have changed over the years, not so much a full downloadable program, but if you go here to Microsoft Photos and click on it, you'll see it's free. You can install it over here using the Get button. I already have it, but this is what you can put on your Windows machine. And just simply click that. And this will start the process over here. Pretty simple. And in future videos, here you go, we're going to look at how to actually go into Photos and find Story Remix, which is the part of Photos we want to use in order to do some video editing.